Most cars don't fail because they're badly built. They fail because of neglected maintenance. Today on Drive Trends Global, we're going to show you simple maintenance habits that can save you thousands of dollars and help your car last 300,000 miles or more. No complicated mechanics, no expensive tools, just smart habits every driver should know. Let's start with the most important one, engine oil. Engine oil is the lifeblood of your car. It keeps the engine cool, clean, and protected from wear. Changing your oil on time, using the correct oil grade recommended by the manufacturer, is one of the easiest ways to extend engine life. What you should never do is skip oil changes to save money. Old oil breaks down, increases friction, and slowly destroys engine components. An oil change costs between $40 and $80. An engine rebuild can cost $5,000 to $8,000. This single habit alone can double your engine's lifespan. Next, let's talk about tire care. Your tires affect fuel economy, braking performance, and suspension health. Checking tire pressure once a month and rotating your tires every 5,000 to 7,000 miles helps your car drive smoother and more efficiently. Driving on underinflated tires wastes fuel and damages alignment over time. A tire rotation costs around $20 to $40. Replacing worn tires and fixing suspension damage can cost over $1,200. Proper tire care saves money every mile you drive. Now let's move on to brakes. Brakes always give warning signs: squealing, vibration, or a soft pedal. Replacing brake pads early prevents damage to rotors and calipers. Ignoring those warning sounds can turn a small repair into a very expensive one. Brake pads usually cost between $150 and $300. Waiting too long can push the repair cost up to $1,500. Early action equals massive savings. Next is the cooling system, one of the most overlooked areas. Overheating can destroy an engine faster than almost anything else. Checking coolant levels and flushing the system at recommended intervals helps regulate engine temperature. Driving while overheating can cause head gasket failure and severe engine damage. A coolant service costs around $100 to $200. A blown head gasket can cost up to $7,000. Cooling maintenance protects your engine's heart. Now let's talk about the most expensive component in your car: the transmission. Many drivers believe transmission fluid lasts forever. That is a costly myth. Changing transmission fluid on schedule and driving smoothly can extend transmission life by many years. A fluid service usually costs between $150 and $300. Replacing a transmission can cost $4,000 to $6,000. This habit alone can save your car from early death. Next, let's talk about air filters. Air filters may seem small, but they play a big role in performance and fuel economy. Replacing engine and cabin air filters regularly improves airflow and keeps contaminants out. A clean filter costs around $20 to $40. Poor fuel economy over time can cost you hundreds. Simple, cheap, and extremely effective. Cars that reach 300,000 miles aren't lucky. They're maintained correctly. Small habits, small costs, huge long-term savings. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Drive Trends Global, and comment below. How many miles does your car have right now? Welcome to Drive Trends Global, where smart driving meets long-term value.